Very close to Akio. Both of these new discoveries are within 5 and 6.5 kilometers of Akio. So it provides this opportunity that if we're correct, if these do turn into significant discoveries, then we've established a hub and spoke type of situation.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is James Sykes, the CEO of Baseload Energy. And James, welcome. Good to have you back again.
Hey, Steve, always a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, especially because you always bring really interesting news. And this is more exploration. This one is the Hook Project in the Athabascan Basin. And again, identifying some pretty significant things. So, what work was done here, James, and what are you seeing?
We completed a number of drill holes, and within those target areas, we discovered two alteration systems that have the earmarkings for uranium deposits, especially some of the clay alteration that we've seen in one of our areas. I've held such clay on other deposits. So it's a very significant find in that these are the type of alteration signatures that lead to large scale Athabasca uranium deposits.
Yeah. And James, can you talk about the area that it's in and why that's so important, especially where it comes to Akio?
Yeah, we're very close to Akio. Both of these new discoveries are within 5 and 6.5 kilometers of Akio. So it provides this opportunity that if we're correct, if these do turn into significant discoveries, then we've established a hub and spoke type of situation within the Akio area that everything's proximal, and you've got a number of deposits, which are all within infrastructure as it is, highways, electricity, mills, all the workings are there.
Yeah. So where do you go with this now? You mentioned you've held it in your hand, which is obviously a positive thing, but there still seems obviously some work that has to be doing, some more testing that needs to be done.
Yeah, we have to drill more. Simple as that. Yeah, both of the areas are wide open. One of the areas defined with one drill hole, so that has a lot of exploration that needs to be done on there. And then it the other area we see signs that radioactivity increases with the alteration as we go deeper into the north. So we have to drill more into that area as well. But fully cashed up, 5 million in the bank, already
Mhm.
committed for exploration next year. It's an absolute perfect situation. If our thesis is correct, we could have a new discovery on our hands, which will complement our Akio near surface uranium discovery and present baseload as an exploration company with legitimate success.
Yeah. And James, will the when you say discovery, will you be talking about potentially you mentioned going a bit deeper, but also going wider to see how far out things go? Like, is that sort of the way it would normally work?
Yeah. Yes, we have to test both the strike extent and the depth component because the best way to make a three-dimensional volume
Yeah.
is with all three dimensions at play.
Absolutely. Congratulations on this. Exciting. Still lots of work to do, but I know you're up for the task, James. So good to see you, and thanks very much for the update.
Thank you, Steve, for the opportunity. Take care.
All right, James Sykes, the CEO of Baseload Energy.